Hello everyone and welcome to Colorful Pages. I'm sure you all are doing great. And today I am up with a very easy, simple, amazing yet beautiful tutorial. Now this tutorial you are going to learn Warli painting. Yes, you are going to learn Warli painting not on paper, not on canvas, but this time on fabric. Now this fabric Warli painting, you are going to create an innovative suit, kurta, out of your painted Warli art. I am sure you are all very excited to learn this from me. All the material which I am going to use in this artwork will be introduced to you very well in the tutorial itself. So keep watching till the end. So now, without wasting any time, let's get started. So this is the beautiful black color Rubia 2x2 cloth which we are going to use for making the Warli painting. You can see this is a cotton cloth and it is very friendly for painting. This is very fine also. It's not very guff, it's not very thick. Okay, and I have my design ready with me. This is the beautiful Warli painting design which I want to trace on this fabric. This is a printout which I took from internet. I have with me these kind of carbon papers. You can see these are the white carbon papers. Alright, these are already used. It is reusable 2 or 3 times. You can definitely use it. So this side where it is written something printed will be upwards, that is under the fabric, and the plain side will be under the tracing like this. And also you need to make sure that the plain side is facing the fabric down. So I'm using 2 layers like this because I feel that the design will be needing some more area. Okay, so this extra is fine, but if it is less it will be a problem. So we'll just fix this with the help of a doctor's tape or a masking tape, whatever is available to you, you can use that. Just secure it from the sides so that the tracing is not moving here and there while you are printing, while you are tracing. The design doesn't move left and right. So just like this, secure it few places like this, and finally you can, with the help of normal pencil should not be very pointed, you can just start tracing it. See, in this way tracing is very simple. All right, so I think we should do one corner. Let us do this corner a bit and then I will show you how the tracing is coming. So let me just do these 2 triangles like this, and I will show you the tracing. I am just going to remove this part and see how nice and clear this is. So there is absolutely no problem in transferring this photocopy design to the black cloth. This tracing is complete. Now slowly from one side first I will take out the tape just to make sure that the entire design is traced nicely. I will start doing this slowly. So I think some rays of the sun is left, that I will quickly trace down. In this way it is very easy. You will come to know if anything is left, you forgot to trace it, you can quickly do it. That's a very easy process. Yeah, so see, now everything is traced nicely, and I will remove the carbon and I will remove the design and I will start with the next step. So this Warli design is nicely traced on the fabric. As you can see, it's there in front of you. Now it is very convenient to paint. I have this kind of hoop. This is called an embroidery hoop. This hoop has a nut and screw on one of the ring, which is the bigger one, the outer ring. So just loosen it up from the top, holding the screw and nut, and then you press this inner circle down. So then you will get two pieces. One is the round one, complete round, and one the which has the nut and screw. So what do? This, the one which is round, you place it under the fabric like this, okay, and then the one which has this, you have to fix it like this on top of it. For painting this beautiful Warli art, I will be using this fairy quill white acrylic color. So acrylic color like this works well on the fabric also, so there is no need to be scared about it. Now just open the cap, that is the very first step. I have selected this kind of very fine brush. This is 0 number round brush which I have selected, and I will dip it into the color directly. No need to add water or any kind of medium in this color. It works well otherwise also. And just dip your brush into the color, and you can just fill these shapes, the geometrical shapes which you have drawn, and that's all you have to do in the entire painting. This art is just a meditation, just simply a meditation. The simple pattern, easy pattern, and beautiful design. If you will come across and see carefully that the Warli artists have given lot of importance to life, to nature. That is why here I have also decided to make this tree of life. The tree of life is another very important element which we are seeing in Warli paintings. That is why even I have selected this tree of life. Once I will paint it, you will understand this better. In tracing this look little haphazard. See how easy it is. Just like doing a meditation it is. Spending a good time with your paintbrush, with your colors, is all that which is required. Spending a time doing things which you like is very important. One must do every day a thing which gives happiness to person. For me it is art, of course, and of course art. Do let me know how many others have the same opinion as I have. See, just simple. Don't forget the hairstyle. How did I forget the bun? The beautiful hairstyle of the Warli ladies, the Warli girls. See, the beautification, ornamentation, even at that age when people used to make folk art, was really of great importance. Easy artwork. So in this way I am going to complete the entire figures, the dancing girls figure here, and I will do it very quickly. So after finishing this much area, now let us quickly do the tree of life. This portion, the tree of life, which is the main attraction of this Warli painting. We'll start from the stems first. Now it will be convenient for us to paint when we start from these stems. See, absolutely simple. This is an absolute effortless painting. Like this, we will continue with the entire stem and we will add some leaves like this, tiny leaves. We'll add these leaves to all the stems, which will increase the beauty of the tree. Like this, we are going to add big and small leaf to all the stems, the branches of the tree. After finishing the entire white area, now I will paint using this Fevicryl 3D outliner. So this is an outliner which has a big nozzle and you can start using it directly. I will first do the outline in between these two white lines. A bit of gold I want to add in my artwork. That is why I have selected this gold outliner to give this Warli painting a different kind of effect. Should not look a usual one. I want it to look very, very unique because I'm going to stitch this Warli painting as a yoke on my kurta. So this kurta which I am talking about is also black and golden color. So that is why I'd like to add gold in my Warli painting. So here and there, a bit of gold, a dash of gold I will add in my painting now. So let's do this beautiful artwork. See, some dots, some lines, somewhere filling work, somewhere outline is what I intend to do with this gold. So we finished working with this Fevicryl 3D outliner, and this yellow part which looks like yellow will dry and settle down to become a gold color. So it's quite wet, so the color looks little yellowish. After it dries, it's going to become a perfect gold which will look very, very beautiful. So I'm going to leave this now for around 24 hours so that it dries very nicely, and then I will show you the results. I am very sure that you have enjoyed painting this beautiful artwork with me. And you have seen that how I've upcycled a very small piece of black cloth which was lying at my home since long. And with that black recycled cloth, upcycled cloth, I will see I have made such a beautiful designer suit for me. I'm sure you're going to try this at your home also. Now you can see the beautiful artwork which I have done here. It's absolutely easy and it is the Indian folk art which is the Warli painting. I have added white color. With white I have added 3D gold outliner, which has enhanced the beauty of this design itself. Now this I have used as a yoke which I have added to the beautiful rayon fabric which I had bought from the market. This is a lovely black with golden dots fabric, rayon fabric, which I had got from market, and on that I have done this nice gold edging. This gold edging I have done on the slits. I have designed it princess cut. On the princess cut also there is the same gold lace. The same lace is on my sleeve and on my neck also. I have got stitched a beautiful trouser with this. It is a very simple, but why I am saying it is a very useful trouser, because it has two pockets to keep the tits and bits. And same with this matching, I have taken this little black and gold dupatta. Now all this together makes it a complete dress which you can wear in the day and also at the night time. I'm sure you have enjoyed painting this with me, but definitely take care of the washing. How you are going to wash this? See, after painting it, reverse iron after 24 hours, and I suggest to leave it without washing for around 15 to 20 days. Now in this 15 to 20 days, the chemical of the color is going to react, get firm very nicely with the fabric, and your washing after 15-20 days, you will see that your design, your pattern, your painting will never get spoiled. So every time you wash, it has to be a gentle wash in a liquid detergent. It has to be always and always reverse iron to make your artwork last very long. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for more creative videos. Stay healthy, stay happy, keep learning always.